back to Heritage Soap. Today I'm going to be making a beautiful soap. It's going to have activated charcoal from Nurture Soap, electric orange mica, and I'm going to have some orange vibrance mica and some really red mica from Nurture Soap. I get most of my micas from Nurture Soap because of the quality of their micas. The fragrance oil I'm using today is sweet orange chili pepper. In my bucket I already have my hard oils, my liquid oils, and my butters. I have my kaolin clay, it's in the bottom. I'm going to go ahead and give that a blend. Alright, now that that's blended up, I've got my lye water solution ready to go in. My lye water solution has a mixture of distilled water, aloe water, honey, Tessa silk, sea salt, blended all together, and that's how I make my lye water solution. I'm going to go ahead and give this a blend and we'll get started. Alright, y'all. And as I normally do, I'm going to break it all down, divide it into buckets with my colors, and I'll be right back to add in the fragrance and everything. We'll get it all blended up. And get it in the mold. Now I'm going to just pour some of this in here. It's very thick. My recipe tends to get thick a lot because of my, oh, I forgot to blend my mix. It's pretty thick, and that has to do with my recipe that I'm using today. Alright guys, I'm going to go ahead and top off the rest of the soap. Alright guys, this is my sweet orange chili pepper soap. And on the top we put a little bit of red and iridescent biodegradable glitter. And this is not the type of glitter, guys, it's going to stick all over the place. This type of glitter will go into the soap, and when you rinse or when the water washes over the top, it's going to rinse it all away, or most of it away. It's not going to be all over your skin, sticking to your skin and that type of thing. We'll be back tomorrow at the end of this video, and we will slice this soap up and see how she turns out. Stick around. I'm going to slice this soap up. We're going to go through the bar, and we're going to see how it all came out. And I love the soap. I love the colors. I really love how it came out. So y'all just stick with me. We're going to slice up everything. I'm going to speed the video up, and I will bring you back at the end of the video. We'll see you there. Okay guys, it's hard to decide which one of these is my favorite bar. There were so many that stood out to me. That reminds me of fire burning. But I really love the color scheme. I wouldn't change a thing on it. I really like it as mixed together. The only thing I might try is maybe put the orange as my base and the white as swirls. But then again, I like the orange doing its thing in this batch. So I really like this. These bars will be available in July on our website, www.heritagesoapsandcandles.com, and also our Etsy store. I'll leave you all the links at the bottom in the description box below. Please follow us on Instagram and follow us on Facebook, and also join our Facebook group. Y'all have a great day. Thank y'all for watching. We appreciate each and every one of you. Bye.